This is a video all about original strength and how you can use it to make you stronger. There's a bunch of movements here. You can follow along. It's not intense. It's very accessible. There's different variations that we show you in here as well. It goes with an article that's posted on Original Strength. But as you do look at this, don't go into pain. Enjoy what you're doing. You've got the capacity to make choices about this and do things that feel fun. If it doesn't feel good, don't do it. And my movements aren't perfect. Yours won't be either. There's some great examples of what you need to do in here or what you can do that will be helpful. But use this as a jumping off point and from here explore original strength and see what other things you can do that are going to make you feel awesome. Here we are doing the diaphragmatic breathing. So tongue on the roof of your mouth, breathing into your belly, and you want to feel your belly pushing into the ground. You're going to do as much as you want of this. This is hard to overestimate just how valuable the diaphragmatic breathing really is. Okay. Apparently I did a lot of diaphragmatic breathing when I was filming. Okay. Here I've shifted into a Commando rocking position. You can see that my mobility makes it so that I've got a rounded back. Ideally you'd have a big chest and you'd have a slight curve in your lumbar spine as you do this. And I'm looking up and down. My eyes lead my head, lead my body. Okay, tongue once again on the roof of your mouth, breathing through your nose. Okay, and then I'm looking over my shoulder here. You can leave your hands on the ground or you can let them off like I'm doing. Either one is absolutely okay. Okay, don't move into pain, and you want to use a comfortable range of motion. So 8 out of 10 effort. You're not trying to force anything. Alright, now we've got egg rolls. I look all the way and then I look over my shoulder, and then eventually my body will move itself. I'm not trying to force anything here as I do it. Eyes, then head, then body. Okay. You can see that as I look over my shoulder pulls on my knee, and then eventually the rest of my body follows on afterwards. Okay, again, I have filmed this for a while because they feel fantastic. So, lots and lots of egg rolls there. Alright, elevated rolls. So, the side that you're rotating around, my right arm on the ground in this instance, and my right leg wants to be the axis, and then I'm reaching my leg up and over, and it pulls my body off the ground. It's a beautiful stretch. I would have liked myself to look earlier as I reach up, but the leg is driving the movement, so it's not the end of the world. I'm showing an easier variation here. So I'm going from my bent knees. Your knees can be on the ground, but again, your leg reaches over, and then I'm bridging up as I reach and try and separate my shoulders, pushing down with one hand and reaching up with the other. I'm trying not to shrug as I do that. And it feels fantastic. Okay, and obviously the camera is very active while I'm doing this. Okay, these are a few variations of Mark Shropshire's lunge matrix, and you can see that my brain is giving me different variations as I go. Mark has a whole series of videos around these. This movement is so good for stabilization, for being able to work on angles, so your hips and your knees and your ankles are all doing some good things. You're cross crawling each time, which is great for your brain, and you know, there's a whole bunch of variations. You definitely want to go and look up Mark Shropshire's video on this. Alright, backwards walking. I like to really reach my arms around, so as my left leg steps back, my right arm will go forward and vice versa. And you can do this for a good way. I also like to point the outside of my foot forward. Okay, rocking push-ups. So my knees are on the ground here, my chest is nice and proud, and my belly button is driving the movement. Okay, I think I'm going just ever so too deep here. I would rather see my posture stay constant, the lumbar same. Okay, and then baby crawling or hand and knee crawling. Big chest, eyes forward, breathing through your nose. This is leopard crawling, which is similar. Again, pushing into the ground, big chest, eyes forward, breathing through your nose, and you want to maintain the curve in your lower back. Alright, and then doing some more breathing in the Superman pose. So I'm standing nice and tall, trying to stretch my head through the roof and feeling my belly push into my hands. So I'm expanding in all the directions. Okay. Transitioning into some commando rocking. Okay, I've shifted my elbows forward there to let me do a slightly better job of maintaining my lumbar spine. Again, not perfect. You can see much better examples of this. This is regular rocking, so straight arms. Okay, I'm playing to find the position where it feels most comfortable. And good, better, best. Okay, that's not perfect, but I'm doing the OS, and that is going to make me better, and I'm going to feel better as we go along for having done it. Okay, and I've shifted. I'm doing some segmental rolls. So eyes, lead the head, lead the body. Look where you're going. Reach from the center of your back. Think about peeling your body from that one corner, like peeling a sticker off the page. You want to have the whole body shift from the corner. Look and reach. Okay, open up and rotate. And that feels fantastic. How loosey-goosey can you make yourself as you do it? And the easy finish, cross crawls, can be hand to knee, can be elbow to knee, anything where you make contact across your body, so right arm to left leg. Go along, have a crack at that, you'll feel great.